guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and oh my gosh, do I have an amazing haul to share with you all today. I am so excited. We have penny items, we have overage, we have some really awesome deals. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so I am back home. We are at the kitchen table and oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at all these penny items. Guys, if y'all have been watching me for any amount of time, you know I never get in on the penny finds. But today I totally scored. I am so happy, and hopefully you guys are out getting the deals too. So on Sunday and on Monday, yesterday, I reminded you all, we have Mucinex that pennied out today. So check your clearance sections and then check if your store has one of those little last chance, little like basket type shelves. They just stick in the corner somewhere that, you know, a lot of people just overlook. Check those too, because that's where I found the majority of these. So, like I said, we have the Mucinex. These are 1 penny today, okay? And we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon that makes it free, plus gives us $1.99 in overage. So, I went in, I initially found 5 boxes, okay? But I did let the manager in on the deal. We have a new manager, so I really lucked up. I'm not sure if she just didn't have time to pull these items or what, because they are really short-staffed. I mean, it's literally like her and one other person working this entire store all week long. So I let her in on the deal. Now, employees are not supposed to buy penny items, but, you know, she's helping me out. I'm going to help her out. I'm going to let her in on the deals. And she was very appreciative of that. So, hopefully, you know, that starts us off on a good foot. So, anyways, I did 3 different transactions. So, each one was a penny. I had a $2 coupon for each Mucinex that I picked up, okay? Now, I did have one oopsie that kind of slid through, and we just were kind of talking and not paying attention. I picked up this heartburn prevention DG Health. These are, in fact, $2.50. They scanned in my app at 000. Usually that means that they are a penny, but I wasn't paying attention to the prices that she was scanning. So definitely make sure you're paying attention. So I'm going to take this one back later on today. And I have a couple more deals that I'm going to do later on. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go through all of the penny items. I'm going to show you the UPCs. And then we're going to go over the 3 transactions that I did. I'm going to show you my receipt and how much I paid out of pocket, okay? All right. So, like I said, the Mucinex, we have several different ones. This is cold, flu, and sore throat, it looks like. Pay attention to your expiration dates. This does not expire until 2023, so that is good there. Here is the UPC code. It is 36824191447. We have the Mucinex Cold and Flu 8-count all-in-one. Expires 2023. And the expiration date, the UPC code is 363824963266. Okay, and this one is the same as that one, so we don't need to go over that. This is a take-back item, return to DG. We have the Alka-Seltzer Plus 20-count liquid gels, sinus, cold, and cough. And I want to say there was a couple different Alka-Seltzer Pluses, so if you see these in the clearance section or in that last chance little basket, scan, okay? So, expiration date, 2022, so we got a year on that one. UPC is 016500559504. We have the DG Health Sore Throat Cough Drops. I don't use that word. Oh, big words. Goodness. All right. Expiration 2023. And UPC code is 070312360543. All right. Over here we have the Vicks Flu Therapy. This one fell apart as I was pulling it out of the bag, but it was intact when I bought it. So Vicks Daytime Flu Therapy, Flu Therapy, I'm getting tongue-tied now. Severe cold and flu. These are just like little packets that you put in your tea or whatever. 6 count. This expires, I don't even know if there is an expiration date on this. I do not see an expiration date. Maybe they're on the individual. Maybe they're on the individual packets. But anyways, UPC code is 323-900-04-0373. All right. So there's that. We have Alka-Seltzer Plus Heartburn Relief Chews. This is Tropical Punch 32 count. Now, there are some that look very similar. I picked up 2 other ones in the clearance section that rang up at $4. I'm not sure what the difference was, but definitely a different UPC. So just make sure that you're scanning and pay attention at the register because, like I said, this rang up at 00. I mean, it scanned in my app at 000, but once I got up to the register and, well, actually, I got home and looked at my receipt, and it was, in fact, $2.50. So, Tropical Punch 32 count. This is UPC code. Now, these expired August 21. But, you know, that's up to you whether you believe in expiration dates or not. I do on some things not so much. Medicine, you know. Anyways, UPC code is 016500557968. And then I found 4 of these Alka-Seltzer Relief Chews, Heartburn Relief Chews, 36 count, assorted fruit flavor. These don't expire until next year. UPC is 016500554264. And then Dayquil and NyQuil I stocked up on. So we have NyQuil, cold and flu, 2 different types of packaging to be on the lookout for. They're both 8 count, nighttime relief, okay? The expiration is 2023 on that packaging, 2023 on that packaging as well. The UPCs are the same though. So there you go. It is 323-900-03-8431. And I found a total of 5 boxes of the NyQuil there. And then the Dayquil, I found a total of 8, 9, 10, 11 boxes, but I gave the manager 3 boxes. So she was like, man, you are stocked up. And I was like, here, take a couple boxes. And she's like, I don't want to take your stuff. No. And I was like, take it. It's a penny. So we have the Vicks Dayquil Cold and Flu. Again, 2 different types of packaging, both 8 count. Let's see, expiration 2023. And we have the UPC codes. Both are the same. And they are 323-900-03-8448. Okay? Alright, so there you go. There are all of the penny items that I picked up. I cannot believe it. Oh my goodness. And we have an avalanche of Dayquil. Alright, so now, as you guys can see, I threw in the Charmin Essentials and the Bounty Essentials to eat up that overage. You guys know if you're out penny shopping, or even if you're just out couponing and we have something, a coupon that gives overage, you have to put something else in the transaction for that overage to apply to, because the employees can get in trouble for giving us cash back. So don't ever let them do that. Throw in a candy bar or something to eat up that overage. All right. So here was my first transaction. We have the Charmin Essentials. Those are on sale this week. No, I think that's regular price for those. For $5.25. We have a 1-off 1 digital coupon making those $4.25. There's the Mucinex for a penny. There's that $2 Mucinex coupon. And then all of this below is 1 penny except for the DG Heartburn Prevention. Again, right there, not a penny. That was $2.50, so I will be taking that back. Especially since we have all this Alka-Seltzer. I mean, come on, I don't need that for $2.50. Come on. All right. So Dayquil, NyQuil, subtotal was $4.94, but after I take back that and get my $2.50 back, what's that going to put me at, guys? $2.44 cents? $2.44 maybe? Something around there. All right, so it says total savings of $3, but that is just adding up those 2 coupons. This is a huge savings. Most of these products were like $4 at least. These were $4.45 back here, $4.45 over here, $3.30, $4.95, $5.40, $2.25, and $7.60. So that's a huge savings right there. But I got a total of 21 items for, let's say, $2.44, $2.50. We'll round it. I think that's an awesome deal. I think I really scored. All right, so here was my second transaction here, and I picked up the Charmin Essentials again, $5.25. Used that 1-off-1 digital coupon, bringing that down to $4.25. Rang up the Mucinex at $1. There's that $2 digital coupon that gave me $1.99 in overage. Here are all of the Alka-Seltzer products for 1 penny. And subtotal $2.33. Again, it says $3 in savings, but that's just the coupons. So $2.33 for 9 items. Awesome. I'm so excited. I think this is one of my top penny hauls. I have very few penny hauls, but this is definitely in the top 3 right now, okay? All right, so we have the last one, Bounty Essentials. 6 count. These are on sale this week. These are normally $5.75, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it says right there on the receipt. Come on, crazy coupons. All right, regular price $5.75. They're on sale this week for $5.25. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon. And I rang up that Mucinex at a penny. That gave me $1.99 in overage. Subtotal $2.26 for 2 items. Awesome haul. So I am going to pop up a picture and show you guys my total spent and how much each item would have worked out to be. Alright guys, so here you have it. Final price for everything that I picked up was $7.03 for 32 items, making each one just 21 cents each. I think that is an amazing deal. I'll take that any day of the week. And if you look at everything, retail price was $134.50. Total savings was $127.47. Now keep in mind, some of these items were already clearanced down some. So, but you know what? Either way you look at it, it is an amazing deal. Now, y'all get on your running shoes, grab your purse, grab your phone, and head on out to DG and be on the lookout for those 8-count Mucinex boxes so that you guys can get in on this overage too. And meet me back here later because I will have the good deals and glitch list video up here shortly. So don't forget to come back and check that video out as well. We have a ton of awesome deals going on at DG this week and a ton of glitches. And before you go, y'all know the drill. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it is a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all already know I love hearing from you. So go ahead and leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I wish each and every one of you good luck with your penny finds today, and I will see you on the next one.